Hello, welcome to my nature discovery. We're going to be diving into nature. Let's go. Ugh. Oh, you fell. Oh, wait. Oh. It's going to take a long time to get down these stairs because they're ginormous. Don't put lions. Stick to my feet. Go to nature. Now we can see the jungle. They don't really want to go in the jungle. Okay. What's this? Wait. Yeah, there was something like. Look. Look at this. This looks beautiful. Wait, look. Wait. That I see? A unicorn. Oh, they actually existed. Hello, giant unicorn. How may we please you? Stupid unicorn. Hey, look at this. I planted this. What's this? Never know. Whoa. But wait, let's go back for a second. Look up. There's so much more we can explore from. Now, whoa! Oh, yeah, honestly, I've never seen a jungle like this. Wait. I hear something. Wait, let's see what it is. I think we found it. Come out over here. I don't see anything. There it is. There it is. We must avoid it. What is it? Let's see. One. I think we lost it. Okay, yep, definitely lost it. Okay, so I'll just stop. That was a tough journey. Maybe one day we'll find something more wild.